Good morning. Good morning, students. So, we were doing the revision of chapter number 5, that is string in Python. In this series, we are going to start this new topic, that is string methods and inbuilt functions. Inbuilt functions, we have already discussed there are two types of functions in Python. First is the user defined function. The user, he himself, can define some functions and he can call these functions in his program for better execution and reduction of reusage or retyping or saving the time of the programmer. So it is a very good practice for using the inbuilt functions or user defined functions. So user defined functions are those functions which has been written by the user, which has been written by the programmer. But inbuilt functions are those functions which are already present within the Python programming language, right? So see, Python provides several inbuilt functions associated with a string. These functions allow us to easily modify and manipulate the strings. We can think of functions as actions that we perform on elements of string in our code, but inbuilt functions are predefined in Python programming language, right, and are readily available for use. So length, see, length is the first function we are going to discuss. len, length function. This is also a function. This bracket is given in any programming language. In any programming language, a function is always accompanied with parenthesis. Without a parenthesis, we cannot consider that this is a function. Okay, and whatever we'll write inside the parenthesis, that is inside the bracket, that will be considered as the argument for that function. Okay, so this method returns the length of the string. Syntax is length string. Here str is the string, length string str. Str stands for the string. For example, word is a variable and its value is good morning. Value is good morning. So len word, this word is being passed in this parenthesis. The word has been passed in this parenthesis and it will count the length of the word. So what is the length of the word? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Space is also counted. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. See, output is 12. Here slash is counted as one character. Okay, so here slash is not given, but when it will be provided or it will be given, slash is also counted as a one character. A space is also counted as a character. Another string is str1. This is a variable. This is Mira's pen. Okay, length of string 1 19. How comes? See, count 1, 2, 3, 4, space 5, 6, 7, space 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. It is getting 19. So in this way, length function will count the length of the string. In this way, it will count the length of the string. Capitalize. This method returns the exact copy of the string with the first letter in uppercase. So what it does? Capitalize function, it capitalize the given string first letter. Okay, suppose DAV is written, so D, first character D will be capitalized by this capitalize function. Okay, syntax, see, string dot capitalize. Here str is the string. Example, str1 welcome. str1 dot capitalize. str1 dot capitalize. Welcome. See, so welcome was written in small case. All the characters were in small case. But when we use this capitalize function on this string 1 dot capitalize, then the first character W is capitalized. This is the output you are going to have. See, note, if the string has its first character as capital, then it returns the original string. अगर पहले से ही इसमें अगर string में पहला ही character अगर capitalize है, तो obviously it will give you the capital in the capital form. But still, if it is in lower case, it will convert into uppercase and it will give you the value, right? See, here again once. See, कैपिटल लेटर में है और इसको जब कैपिटलाइज कर रहे हैं तो कैपिटल लेटर में ही आ रहा है, राइट? एंड दिस इज द प्रोग्राम विच आई विल सॉल्व यू ड्यूरिंग द ऑनलाइन क्लासेस. सो it is my advice to you that do not miss the online classes. You must participate in online classes to solve your practical problems. And as I have given you Pyroid, so in this Pyroid you must run all these programs and clarify your doubts. If you have any problem, join in the online class and ask the questions, no problem. See, write a program to accept a string, a sentence, and return the string having first letter of each word in a capital letter. See, string 1, this is the variable. Input method से enter a string, एक string को ले लिया मैंने. Print original string, original string को मैंने print करा दिया. What is the original string? str1. So I have passed here str1, it will be printed. Then str2, another variable is taken but it is empty. It is empty. So x is equal to string1 dot split. उसके बाद string को क्या करेंगे? Split method से उसको तोड़ देंगे. Split function breaks the given string. ठीक है? For a in x, after breaking it is being stored in x value. So string 2 is equal to string2 dot a dot capitalize. ठीक है? String 2 plus a dot capitalize. ठीक है? And print string 2. So see the output given here. In the output you will see first, according to the given program, enter the string. So you will see here, enter the string. We are learning Python. This is your string. We are learning Python. Print original string. So here we have written original string, print original string str1. So see here, str1 is printed. We are learning Python. Original string, we are learning Python. But after that what it is given, this word has been splitted and for loop is executing. We have run the for loop in x में जा करके, और जहाँ जहाँ स्प्लिट हुआ, जहाँ जहाँ उसको फर्स्ट वर्ड का पहला अल्फ़ाबेट को, पहला कैरेक्टर को वो क्या किया? कैपिटलाइज कर दिया. ए डॉट कैपिटलाइज. ठीक है? ए डॉट कैपिटलाइज. So here you see, you can see here, you see here V and you see the V, see the R, see the R, see the L, see the L, see P, see P. ठीक है? Now comes the split function. The split method breaks up the same thing. Before explaining, it is given here the command split. Split means I told you it is to be breaked. उसको हम लोग क्या करते हैं? ब्रेक कर देते हैं. कोई भी सेंटेंस को या कोई भी वर्ड को क्या करते हैं? ब्रेक कर देते हैं. दैट इज कॉल्ड स्प्लिटिंग. द स्प्लिट फंक्शन और मेथड, फंक्शन मेथड बिहेवियर इज द सेम थिंग. सो द स्प्लिट मेथड ब्रेक्स अप द स्ट्रिंग एट द स्पेसिफाइड separator and returns a list of substring. Syntax str1 dot split separator, we will use the separator as comma and max split function. ठीक है? The split method takes the maximum of two parameters. Maximum of two parameters. That means within the bracket we can pass only two arguments. First is the separator, that is optional. हम चाहें तो use करें, ना चाहें तो ना use करें. The separator is the delimiter. ठीक है? We will see what is delimiter. Delimiters are the punctuators, comma, bracket, exclamation mark, and many other. These comes under the category of delimiters. The string splits the specified separator. If the separator is not specified, then any white space, the white space is a new line, etc., is added. The string is a separator. So new line is given, means the space is provided, that is the separator. ठीक है? Max split optional. The max split defines the maximum number of split. कितना बार उसको स्प्लिट करना है, कितनी बार उसको तोड़ना है, दिस फंक्शन विल शो. द डिफॉल्ट value of max split is -1, which means no limit on the number of splits. So split function is also there. I will show you in the program. Here separator is not specified and by default the space is the string separator. Okay. The second argument, max split, is optional and its default value is 0 if an integer value n is given for the second argument. The string is split into n plus 1 string. We will see this. And another is a replace method. So replace method, what it does in the word and all we have seen, find and replace. It will find the word and it will replace the word with the word you are specified, you have specified. Okay. See the replace function. This function or this method replaces all the occurrence of the old string with a new string, whichever string. Suppose in your program many of times are there DAV Khalari, but you want to replace with DAV Gandhinagar. So find the word DAV Khalari and replace with the word DAV Gandhinagar, and that's on and so on. Okay. So see, string dot replace old comma new. Two arguments are passed, old argument and the new argument. So old argument will be replaced with the new argument. See string 1, this is the string example. Print string 1 dot replace is was. So is will be replaced with the word was. Okay. This was a string example. String 2, this is a string example. Is word is replaced with was. This was a string example. String 2, cold coffee. Print string 2 dot replace cold with hot. And when you will print this statement, when the output will be given, it will be in hot coffee, not cold coffee. Okay. The string 2 was cold coffee, the output will become in hot coffee. And that's the end of the chapter. So we are supposed to solve all these exercises, questions from now onwards, and that's the end of the chapter. Thank you.